If you've ever tried putting a plant in your bathroom and it died within a few weeks, you're not alone. A lot of people love the idea of turning their bathroom into a calm spa-like green space. But there's one big problem most bathrooms have: no windows. And when there's no natural light, most plants slowly start to struggle. The leaves turn yellow, growth stops, and before long, the plant is gone. So people assume plants just can't survive in a windowless bathroom. But that's actually not true. Some plants naturally grow on forest floors where sunlight barely reaches. And those same plants can handle the low light and high humidity found in bathrooms surprisingly well. In fact, a few of them are so tough they can survive in conditions that would kill most houseplants. In this video, I'll show you 10 of the best plants for windowless bathrooms that stay healthy, look beautiful, and require very little maintenance. And make sure you stick around for plant number 4, because it's a plant that many interior designers secretly use in dark bathrooms and hotel spas. If you enjoy discovering plants that actually survive in real homes, subscribe and comment below telling me how much light your bathroom gets. Now let's look at 10 incredible plants that can thrive even in a bathroom with no windows. Number 1, Z plants. If your bathroom has no windows and almost no natural light, the Z plant is one of the best plants you can bring into that space. The biggest reason most plants die in bathrooms is simple: they need more light than the room can provide. But the Z plant is different. It naturally grows on the shaded forest floors of East Africa, where sunlight is often filtered through layers of taller plants. Because of this, it is adapted to survive in very low light environments, making it ideal for places like offices, hallways, and of course, windowless bathrooms. Another reason this plant works so well is its underground rhizomes, which act like small water storage tanks. These allow the plant to hold moisture for long periods, meaning it doesn't rely on constant watering. In fact, the humidity from showers and baths can actually benefit the plant and keep it looking healthy. Visually, the Z plant has a very sleek and modern appearance. It grows upright stems with thick, glossy, dark green leaves that reflect light beautifully, which can instantly make a bathroom feel more alive and polished. Even in a darker space, its shiny leaves add a clean, elegant look. In terms of care, the Z plant is incredibly low maintenance. Simply place it on a bathroom shelf, vanity counter, or floor corner, and water it about once every 2 to 3 weeks. The most important tip is to avoid overwatering, because this plant prefers slightly dry soil. So if you want a plant that can handle low light, enjoy bathroom humidity, and still look great with minimal effort, the Z plant is one of the safest choices you can make. Number 2, Pothos. The main reason many plants fail in windowless bathrooms is that they rely heavily on strong sunlight to grow. But Pothos is naturally a tropical forest plant, where it grows under large trees and receives only filtered, indirect light. Because of this natural adaptation, it can survive and continue growing even in low-light indoor environments like bathrooms, hallways, and corners far from windows. Another advantage is that Pothos actually enjoys humidity, which makes a bathroom environment ideal. The steam from showers helps keep the leaves hydrated and healthy, allowing the plant to look fuller and more vibrant over time. Visually, Pothos is known for its long trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. As the plant grows, the vines can cascade down shelves, hang from planters, or trail along cabinets, instantly making a bathroom feel greener and more lively. Caring for it is also very simple. Place it on a high shelf or in a hanging planter, and water it roughly once every 1-2 weeks, depending on how quickly the soil dries. Pothos is also incredibly easy to propagate. If the vines get too long, you can trim a cutting and place it in water to grow an entirely new plant. Number 3, snake plant. Are you worried about plants dying? The snake plant might be the safest choice you can make. Unlike many houseplants that depend on bright light, the snake plant is extremely adaptable. It originally grows in dry regions of West Africa, where plants have evolved to survive tough environments. Because of this, the snake plant developed thick, upright leaves that store water, allowing it to tolerate both low light and infrequent watering. This unique survival ability makes it one of the most recommended plants for offices, bedrooms, and bathrooms that receive very little sunlight. Even in darker rooms, the plant can continue growing slowly while maintaining its strong structure. Visually, snake plants have tall, sword-like leaves with bold green patterns, which add a very modern and architectural look to a space. In a bathroom, placing one in a floor corner or beside a vanity can instantly make the room feel more stylish and balanced. And when it comes to care, it's incredibly simple. The snake plant only needs watering about every 2 to 3 weeks, and sometimes even less in cooler months. In fact, the most common mistake people make with this plant is watering it too often. So, if you want a plant that is extremely tough, visually striking, and perfect for low-light bathrooms, the snake plant is one of the best choices available. Number 4. Lucky bamboo. If your bathroom has no windows and very limited space, lucky bamboo is one of the most practical plants you can choose. Most plants struggle in windowless bathrooms because they depend on strong light and soil conditions to survive. Lucky bamboo, however, is very different. This plant has been grown indoors in Asia for centuries, often in homes and offices with minimal sunlight. It belongs to the Dracaena family, a group of plants known for their ability to adapt to low-light indoor environments. One of the reasons lucky bamboo works so well in bathrooms is that it can grow directly in water instead of soil. That means you can place it in a simple glass container with stones, making it perfect for small countertops, shelves, or even near the sink. Bathrooms also provide something this plant appreciates: consistent humidity. The moisture in the air from showers helps keep the plant hydrated and healthy. Visually, lucky bamboo has a very clean and minimalist appearance. Its slender green stalks often grow in elegant shapes or spirals, which is why it's commonly used to create that calm, spa-like atmosphere in bathrooms. Caring for it is extremely simple. Just keep the roots covered with clean water and replace the water every 1 to 2 weeks to keep it fresh. Avoid direct tap water if it contains high chlorine. Filtered water works best. Number 5. Cast iron plant. Cast iron plant earned its name because it's known for being almost as tough as cast iron. For over a century, it has been used in homes, hotels, and public buildings where lighting conditions were far from ideal. The reason it survives so well in dark spaces is that it naturally grows on the deep forest floors of East Asia, where sunlight rarely reaches the ground. Over time, the plant adapted to survive with very small amounts of light, which is why it can tolerate environments like windowless rooms and shaded corners better than many other houseplants. Another advantage is that it's very tolerant of humidity and temperature changes, which makes it a natural fit for bathroom conditions. Visually, the cast iron plant produces large, deep green leaves that grow upright from the soil, giving it a lush and full appearance. Even a single plant can make a bathroom feel more vibrant and alive. Caring for it is also very easy. Place it in a corner of the bathroom or near a wall and water it every couple of weeks, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. It doesn't require frequent attention and can handle occasional neglect. Number 6. Bird's nest fern. If your bathroom is dark, humid, and often filled with steam after showers, the bird's nest fern can be a surprisingly good plant for that environment. Many plants struggle in bathrooms because the conditions constantly change between moist air and low light. But ferns like the bird's nest fern naturally grow in tropical rainforests, often attached to trees where they receive very filtered light and constant humidity. This natural adaptation makes them well suited for spaces like bathrooms where sunlight is limited but moisture in the air is high. Because it's used to living under dense forest canopies, the bird's nest fern can tolerate low to moderate indoor lighting, which allows it to survive even in bathrooms that don't have windows. Visually, this plant looks very different from traditional ferns. Instead of thin, delicate fronds, it grows wide, wavy green leaves that spread out from the center, forming a shape that resembles a bird's nest. This gives it a very soft, tropical appearance that can make a bathroom feel more like a relaxing spa. In terms of care, bird's nest fern is fairly simple to maintain. Place it on a bathroom shelf or countertop. Keep the soil lightly moist, and avoid pouring water directly into the center of the plant where new leaves grow. Number 7. Peace lily. Peace lily brings both greenery and flowers into your bathroom. Most flowering plants require bright sunlight to bloom, which is why they usually struggle in darker spaces. But peace lilies are different. They naturally grow on the shaded forest floors of Central and South America, where sunlight is limited but humidity is high. Because of this natural environment, peace lilies have adapted to low-light indoor conditions, making them a popular choice for offices, bedrooms, and bathrooms that don't receive much sunlight. Bathrooms can actually help this plant thrive because it enjoys humid air, which helps keep its leaves healthy and vibrant. Visually, the peace lily is known for its deep green leaves and elegant white blooms, which can instantly make a bathroom feel more fresh and sophisticated. Even when it's not flowering, the lush foliage alone adds a calming and decorative touch. Caring for a peace lily is also straightforward. Place it on a bathroom counter or shelf and water it about once a week, keeping the soil slightly moist. A helpful tip is that the leaves will gently droop when the plant needs water, making it easy to know when it's time to water. Number 8. Spider plant. Spider plant is a plant that can instantly add life to your bathroom without worrying about sunlight. Most people think plants need bright windows to thrive, but the spider plant naturally grows in tropical and subtropical forests, where it receives filtered light under the canopy. This makes it ideal for windowless bathrooms, where light is minimal but humidity is high. One of the reasons it works so well is its resilient, arching leaves that can survive occasional neglect. The plant also produces babies, or plantlets on long stems, which can be propagated to create new plants for free. Visually, the spider plant has long, slender green leaves with white stripes, giving a fresh and lively look that works beautifully in a hanging planter, on a shelf, or trailing from a vanity. For care, simply place it on a shelf or hang it near the ceiling. Water it once every 1-2 weeks, and let it enjoy the natural humidity of the bathroom. It's forgiving if you occasionally forget to water it, making it perfect for beginners. Number 9. Castor bean plants. If your bathroom needs a plant that makes a statement even in total darkness, the castor bean plant can handle it. Many bold-leaved tropical plants fail in bathrooms due to low light, but Polycius is naturally adapted to understory forest conditions, where light is filtered and humidity is high. This allows it to thrive in dim, steamy bathroom environments. Its broad, glossy leaves give a luxurious and tropical feel, instantly transforming a plain corner into a lively, green focal point. Even in low light, its strong leaf structure keeps it looking full and healthy, giving the impression of a high-maintenance plant without any extra effort. For care, place it in a floor corner or on a pedestal, water it once every 2 weeks, and let it enjoy bathroom humidity. Occasionally rotate the plant so all sides get indirect light from your bathroom's artificial lighting. Number 10. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is perfect for windowless bathrooms because it can tolerate low light conditions while still thriving in humid environments, making it ideal for spaces where most succulents fail. Most people think succulents need bright sunlight, but aloe vera is surprisingly adaptable. Even in small pots and dim bathrooms, it can continue growing steadily without much light. On top of that, it brings practical benefits. The gel inside its leaves can be used to soothe minor burns, cuts, or skin irritation, giving your bathroom both a green aesthetic and functional use. Visually, aloe vera has thick, spiky leaves arranged in a neat rosette, adding a modern and clean look to any corner, countertop, or shelf. For care, simply place it on a countertop or any spot with indirect light. Water it sparingly, about once every 2-3 weeks, allowing the soil to dry completely between watering. Overwatering is the only major mistake to avoid. And there you have it, 10 amazing plants that can thrive in even the darkest, windowless bathrooms. From the nearly indestructible plants and snake plant to the lush pothos, bird's nest fern, and even the practical aloe vera, there's a perfect plant for every type of bathroom. The best part? These plants don't just survive. Many of them actually thrive in humidity, low light, and minimal care, transforming your bathroom into a calm, green spa-like space. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these plants are you adding to your bathroom first? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If you love this guide and want more tips on low-maintenance, indoor-friendly plants, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I have plenty more videos coming that will help you make every room in your home greener and healthier. And if you're curious about which plant grows fastest in bathrooms or the best combos to create a mini indoor jungle, check out the video I've linked right here. It's packed with ideas you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.